If you are experiencing billing problems with Chase Bank, follow these steps to resolve the issue effectively. This guide will help you navigate the process and ensure your concerns are addressed. Step 1. Gather your information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Chase Bank's customer service at the number provided on their website or your bank statement. Be prepared to provide your account details and explain the billing problem you're facing. Step 3. Use online banking tools. Log into your Chase online banking account. Use the messaging feature to send a secure message regarding your billing issue. This can be a convenient way to communicate without waiting on hold. Step 4. Visit a local branch. If the issue is not resolved through customer service or online, consider visiting a local Chase branch. Speak directly with a representative who can assist you in person and provide additional support. Step 5. Follow up. After your initial contact, keep track of your case by following up if you do not receive a timely response. Document all interactions, including dates, times, and names of representatives you spoke with. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve any billing problems with Chase Bank. Remember to stay patient and persistent throughout the process.